But a new contender, the jaguar, has emerged to seize the caiman's crown. It is an arms race that will continue for as long as the forest grows and the river flows. The Amazon is a stage where countless dramas unfold every minute. This mighty tropical rainforest has existed for at least 50 million years, a place where evolution has honed its killers to predatory perfection. On the wing, in the water, wandering the land, wielding venom or pure power. Here, jungle killers do battle, as they have since time immemorial, driven by hunger on a never-ending quest for